Hey yo, what's good, man? It's Kendall back again at Icon Studios. Today I'm going to be going over strictly vocal compression, you know what I'm saying? So I have a vocal and a song here that I did, and I basically remove the compression plugins, and I'm going to walk you guys through exactly how I do the compression. So let's jump straight into it. So first, let's just listen to it, and I'm going to apply some compressors to the actual vocal, and I'm just going to work it. You guys can watch me. Remember my key compression keys, like don't compress too much, don't kill the vocal, don't kill the energy, don't kill the excitement, don't kill the mood. Compressors can do all that. So let's just jump into it, and I'm just gonna work through it. Smile in front you, don't help you. I learned this shit a dirty game, so play the keys. Cause in this world, they'll bring it down for reach. And make it hard for niggas, cause it ain't the shit they teach. Niggas evil about this money, they ain't here to preach it. It's so much shit built up in me, I think I need a dig. Let's fuck the niggas out my mouth and ready with a speech. And my soul is so much pain, my nigga, it's stressing. And late at night I pray to God by money and blessings. And in my mind I feel like Danny Glover or Whitney. And in my life these niggas smile in front you, don't help me. I learned this shit a dirty game, so play the keys. Cause in this world they'll bring it down for reach. And make it hard for niggas, cause it ain't the shit they teach. Niggas evil about this money, they ain't here to preach it. It's so much shit built up in me, I think I need a dig. Let's fuck them niggas out my mouth and ready when I'm speaking. I'm really ballin' in this shit, you hear my sneakers squeaking. I was gonna beg just as bad as a... Alright, so that's the actual compressors that I put on each vocal. Now, excuse me, I'm going to jump into the actual compressors on the vocal bus. So it looks like I have two. So let's just jump into both of them, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did. And my soul is so much pain, my nigga, it's stressing. And late at night I pray to God by money and blessings. And in my mind I feel like Danny Glover or Whitney. And in my life these niggas smile in front you, don't help you. I learned this shit a dirty game, so play for keys. Cause in this world they'll bring it down for reach. And make it hard for niggas, cause it ain't the shit they teach. Niggas evil about this money, they ain't here to preach it. It's so much shit built up in me, I think I need a dig. Let's fuck them niggas out my mouth and ready when I'm speaking. I'm really ballin' in this shit, you hear my sneakers squeaking. I wanna beg just as bad as a nigga. So that's one compressor. I like to stack compressors sometimes, so that's another compressor that I use. The main thing with these wave compression plugins, make sure that you have the analog off so you don't get the extra white noise. So let's go to the last step. It's going to be a CLA 76. That's what I use to glue it together. Make sure the analog is off. Let's jump straight into it. And my soul is so much pain, my nigga, it's stressing. And late at night I pray to God by money and blessings. And in my mind I feel like Danny Glover or Whitney. And in my life these niggas smile in front you, don't help you. I learned this shit a dirty game, so play for keys. Cause in this world they'll bring it down for reach. And make it hard for niggas, cause it ain't the shit they teach. Niggas evil about this money, they ain't here to preach it. It's so much shit built up in me, I think I need a dig. Let's fuck them niggas out my mouth and ready when I'm speaking. So that's pretty much it. I just went through basic vocal compression on a trap vocal, you feel me? Make sure you don't kill the vocal, make sure you don't kill the energy, make sure you don't squish. Okay, those are the main things to remember. And send me your recommendations for what you want to see on the next tutorial, and I have it up for you guys soon. See you guys next time.